Hey guys, welcome to Trading the Charts. My name is Rex and this is Tesla Weekly Analysis, episode 12 for week ending December 26, 2020. On Monday, Tesla fell 6.5%, closing at 649.86. It tested resistance at the top of the green channel at its intraday highs at around 665. And if I adjust the top of the green channel to the highs of September 16, you can see that there's support that falls along the top of the green channel at around 639. And just under it, you will see the next support level along the top of the red channel at around 633. On Tuesday, Tesla was down 1.5%, closing at 640.34. It tested support at the bottom of the red channel at its intraday lows at around 614. However, it closed just above support along the top of the red channel at around 635. If you look at the MACD, it had a bearish cross going below the signal line. Also, the RSI is falling and making lower lows. These are all indications that bullish momentum is waning and starting to turn bearish. If Tesla continues to sell off, it'll retest support at the bottom of the red channel at around 614. And if it breaks that level, it'll make its way down to the next support area at around 593 to 600, which is the top of that orange channel. This 600 level has proven to be a significant support area, as it once was a point of resistance and also a point of support in early December. On Wednesday, Tesla was up 0.9%, closing at 645.98. It closed just above support along the top of the red channel and the top of the green channel at around 640. This 640 level acted as resistance on December 7th and also on December 14 and 15. The MACD is looking bearish as it's sloping downward. Also, the RSI is trending downward as well. At its intraday lows, it came close to testing support at the bottom of the red channel at around 617. Going into the last trading day before Christmas, we'll see if the top of the green channel can hold as support or if it'll break down and retest the bottom of the red channel. On Thursday, Tesla was up 2.4%, closing at 661.77. At its intraday lows, it found support along the top of the green and red channels at around 644. It ran into resistance at its intraday highs at around 666. This 666 level was also a point of resistance on December 21st. Based on the MACD, which is negative sloping and below the signal line, and also the RSI, which has been making a series of lower lows and lower highs, my prediction is that Tesla will most likely pull back next week. The key support areas where Tesla could pull back to is first around 644, which is the top of the green and red channels. The next support area, if that level breaks, is around 620, which is the bottom of the red channel. And if it breaks below that level, the next support is the top of the orange channel at around 600. This 600 level is a major support area as it was a key resistance and support area going back to late November. Therefore, the probability of Tesla falling below this 600 level is very unlikely. Now, if I adjust the top of the green channel to the highs of July 13, you can see the next potential resistance point at around 675, which is where the top of the green channel falls. That is if Tesla can continue its uptrend going into next week. Now, if I continue to adjust the top of the green channel to the highs of August 27 and December 7, you can see that the next point of resistance is potentially around 690 to 695, which is where the top of the green channel falls and also where the all-time highs were set on December 18. So those are my price predictions for next week. Bull case, if it could hold above 644, it'll head to 675 resistance. And if it breaks that level, it could retest all-time highs at around 690 to 695. Now, my bear case price prediction is first, that 644 level needs to hold, and if that support breaks, it'll make its way down to 620. If that level doesn't hold, the next point of support is around 600. So that'll wrap up the trading week. Tomorrow is Christmas holiday, so the markets are closed. I just want to wish all my viewers a happy holiday. Be safe and enjoy it with all your loved ones. Now, on to Tesla news. Leno reveals what he thinks is the genius behind Elon Musk and Tesla. Jay Leno said he thinks the genius of Tesla's CEO Elon Musk is that, quote, he was building the infrastructure as he was building the vehicle. Even today, a lot of the major manufacturers build an electric car, but where do you charge it? Leno said Elon was smart. When he started, he knew this idea would work, so he built charging stations. He goes on to say that he's confident Tesla would be able to sustain its dominance in electric vehicles, and added that he's seen electric cars from Europe fall short. They don't have the range of the Tesla. They don't because Tesla leads the field. We seem to have this inferiority complex that somehow things in Europe are better than things built here. Leno gave examples of superior American innovation, including General Motors' Corvette, which he said rivals the Lamborghini and Ferrari and is only $60,000. He goes on to highlight America's dominance in private industry. He pointed to Musk's success when it came to the space industry. Quote, the fact that Elon can send a rocket into space and land it back on Earth for a tenth of the price of the US government, well, that's what private industry is supposed to do. Cheaper, faster, more efficient. Leno suggested that those who want to feel the rumble of a car underneath them should buy another car. He also says that he loves Ferraris, Ford Cobra, and Lamborghinis on the weekend, but they're just not practical to sit in traffic and drive locally. Leno says, if you're in a quiet electric vehicle, you're not polluting and you're saving. When I want to have fun, I'll take out my 1960 Triumph TR3 and bomb around, but in terms of everyday vehicles, you can't beat a Tesla. Here is a really interesting tweet from Elon Musk on Tuesday. Musk revealed that he approached Apple's CEO Tim Cook with the possibility of acquiring Tesla for 1/10 of the price. This was during Tesla's struggle with the ramp-up in production of the Model 3, also known as production hell. Surprisingly, Tim Cook refused to even take a meeting with Elon Musk. Elon's tweet reads, during the darkest days of the Model 3 program, I reached out to Tim Cook to discuss the possibility of Apple acquiring Tesla for 1/10 of our current value. He refused to take the meeting. Thanks for watching, guys. Please hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed the video and subscribe for more content.